Ooh!
Take your time. There you go. There you go.
I'm not gonna let go. I'm not gonna let go. No, 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 no. I'm not gonna let go. I'm not gonna let go. I'm not gonna let go. No, 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 no. I'm not gonna let go.
Magapit po ka.
Open the door or I'm going to throw rocks through your windows.
Yes.
She usually barks a little bit.
No, no, wala. No. Ay, carajo. No, no. No, me muero.
Hey,
What?
we don't bark this early.
Who? Ruth.
What did I just say? We don't bark this early.
Ruth.
No, no.
What is this? What is this? What'd you do? Vinny, were you in on it?
Happy birthday, dear Sadie. ¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel! Hey.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell. Fuck, man. Get your ass on.
Why are you so scared, man?
Lavando a casa, mano, e o único jeito de prender esse cachorro é desse jeito. Porque você não fica quieto, Cobalsi. Você não fica quieto, você tá todo molhado. Já tomou banho de chuva.
Do Superman, do Superman, do Superman.
What the hell?
want you guys to know that this is what this big scary dog looks like when there's a thunderstorm.
Whoa!
Hey!
No digging.
Hey, no!
Hi, Grandma. I play baseball.
Lo movió. Tiene fuerza.
Can I also have a venti cup of ice?
A venti cup of ice, okay.
And a pop cup?
Baby? Are you okay? Are you okay, buddy?
Josie.
Another day, another victory for the OG, taking down the sweats, the imposters among us.
She actually might be enjoying it.
Не стоит этого делать. Дэнни, не залазь на диван. Мама только что его очистила, твоя шерсть.
Do not lick me. Keep that tongue in your mouth. Don't you dare. Don't lick me.
Look at what I came home to. You're being naughty, huh? That's why you're stuck.
Hazel. Hazel. Are you watching TV? Were you watching the sad commercial with all the puppies in the pound? Keep it up and you're gonna go there.
Beaumont. Oh my gosh. Beaumont! Beaumont! Oh, oh my gosh.
Daisy, come to the house. Come to
Yeah.
Daisy. So it's done. I'm proud of you, Daisy. Okay, try it again.
Coconut, get away from me. Do not do this. Don't do it.
Oh my... Let me...
It still is in my heart. One of my favorites is watching elegance.
Until that weasel came along, our family made an honest living. Dino.
Nothing, Dingo? Nothing?
Ooh!
You want a treat?
Check her out, yo. She over there loving him. Look, qué linda. She is not scared of him. Look, she like, man, let me love you, Pop. Look at his face.
Ama! El more
te bajabas, perro mugroso.
I turn around, look what she is. You not coming? She said no. Oh man, it's so pretty. Hey.
Here. Did you get the frisbee stuck on your head? Did you get...
But I'm going to have to reopen it. Hey, King, how are you? Woo! Live TV. How are you, buddy? It's not your turn yet. You have to wait one more segment, okay? Just let me do the weather. I know you're stoked. So are we. All right, let's just go to the map so we can get him off of here in a great...
Huh? They don't even wait. Holy shit.
No. This is how I come upstairs to him sleep on the couch. Bully! Get up.
I'll be darned.
Piper.
She did amazing. Do we?
So you're
do
jumping?
We do this?
Mm?
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you.
Parkour! Did me and my dog at the same time.
You too much.
Please tell me you got. No, it's okay.
Have a snack?
No.
Bitch, can I please have one
No.
snack? Listen, it's what?
Beg.
Good job. Good job.
Tess, what do you want? Can you use your words? No, you can't use your words.
Stop. 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 Go, stop. Come here. Now. Stop. Stop. Okay. Stop.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No, he's
Can I
sleeping.
pet that dog? Hey. No. Give me that.
So good. Oh, so peachy. Oh my goodness.
That makes it not give a crunch.
Mm-mm.
Emma, listen, I was thinking about, do you want to go swimming? Oh! Oh, wait a minute. Wait, Brody. Uh-oh.
Did you make that mess? Come here. Why'd you do it? Why did you do it? You don't know? Come here. Luna.
Oh, shit. Se va haciendo aquí el bulto, ¿verdad? Como ustedes comprenderán, yo tengo un ayudante muy ayudador. ¿Sí? Entonces ya.
They're the two best friends anyone's ever had.
Oh, 你不要在我衣服这里这样睡啊！
Logan, sit. Wipe your butt. I'm not playing with you. I'm not.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Extreme!
Parkour! Parkour!
This is parkour.
I thought it was okay for a minute then. Wait.
for people who don't like Chihuahuas. Have you ever hung out with a Chihuahua? Have you ever spent time with a Chihuahua? Do you know a
Oh, Steve, where did this come from?
Oh.
Did you chew up one of your toys?
No. 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 No.
Tú no le puedes gritar nada más con la misma mano. ¡Con mi mano! ¡Con mi mano!
Pues es que me dices.
¡No, con mi mano!
What do you want?
Stay. Mark. Nelly.
Thomas, what are you doing? Thomas!
Who did this? Who was it? It was someone else? It wasn't you?
Say it how we roll.
No. Oh, shit. Get it out of the pool, Axel.
Your little lick map. You going crazy.
What's this?
It's an art project.
Okay, I like it. Picasso. Yeah, that way.
Give me a second, okay? Hey, give me a second.
Down. Down. Down.
Good job. Good job.
Who's a good boy? You are. Yeah. Cheese. Cheese. Come on. Cheese.
What have you done? What have you done?
I always feel like I'm super approachable, and then I get a glimpse of my face, like...
Excuse me. Excuse me.
I don't think so.
Bear. You're supposed to be a golden retriever, a family dog.
Merry Christmas.
Le dije, no le tires la pelota. Y el perro. ¡Ah! ¡Ah! Le dije, no le tires al perro la pelota.
Kippy.
Good girl. Bobby, come here. Good girl. Good girl, mama.
God damn. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Okay, yes, I see that.
И тут, конечно же, сама я офигела.
Oi.
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
Can we watch TV in peace? Can we watch TV, please?
Get it? Okay. You have to pick one. You have to make a decision. She's literally trying to.
Give me the baby. Give me the baby.
You have to drop the
Okay,
baby.
Give me the baby.
六姨啊，过来，来，来，好宝贝。哎呀，我操，疯了！我
Se cayó. Fíjate,
¿Qué pasó?
se cayó.
Let me tell you something.
Wait, do you have a six? You gotta give me all your sixes.
Get more traffic and running keyboards and circuits.
You gonna go play?
What's wrong with you people?
I am a dog.